Hello everyone, my name is Shani Jepriya and in this video I will be answering some important Node.js interview questions. I will provide detailed explanation, examples and best practices to help you understand these concepts. Let's get started. Here the first question is, what is Node.js and how does it differ from server-side technologies like Apache and PHP? See. Node.js is an open source, event driven runtime environment that allows JavaScript to be used for server side programming, unlike Apache or PHP, which are synchronous and multi threaded. Node.js is multi blocking and single threaded, making it highly efficient for handling multiple concurrent requirements or requests. The key differences are Node.js uses V8 engine to execute JavaScript on the server. Apache or PHP follows thread-based model, whereas Node.js is an event-driven, best for real-time like chart streams or streaming services. Example. Let us see an example. See, this is an example for this. Let us run. See, you can see that it is running. Let us move on to the second question. What is a callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in synchronous programming? A callback function is a function that passed as an argument to another function and is executed later. In Node.js, they are widely used in synchronous operations like file reading, database queries, or API calls. Why callback functions are used? To avoid blocking the main thread, and it allows multiple tasks to run simultaneously. Let me show you my callback function. See, here you can see that this is my callback function. Let's move on to the next question. What is the purpose of package.json file in Node.js project? Package.json is the configuration file for a Node.js project. It defines project metadata, dependencies, scripts, and versions and others. Here the key properties are name. First let me show you an example for this. See, here you can see the key properties are name, version, dependencies, and scripts. Here name is for the project name, version is for project version, dependencies are installed packages required for that projects, and scripts are run commands. This is my example. To require these dependencies, we have to run npm install to install dependencies. Let's move on to the other question. Difference between require and import in Node.js. Require. Common JS, usually used in Node.js by default. Import. ES6 modules used with type module in package.json. Let me show you an example. Here you can see we use require. It is by default. Use require in Node.js projects unless using ES6 modules explicitly. Let's move on to the next question. What is middleware in express.js? How to use it? Middleware function in express.js execute code before the request reaches the handler. Examples include logging, authentication, error handling, etc. Middleware helps in logging, authentication, parsing JSON, etc. Let's move on to the other question. What is a RESTful API and how to create one in Node.js and in express.js? RESTful API follows the REST, which representational state transfer principles, and uses HTTP methods like get, post, put, and delete. Get is used to retrieve data, post is used to add new data, put is used to update data, and delete is used to remove data. Let me show you get and post functions. See, here you can see the get function. Usually we use the get function, and in my project I used post. This API supports adding and retrieving products or any other requirements. Next question. What is NPM and how to use it? NPM means Node Package Manager, and it is used to install, update, and manage dependencies in a Node.js project. Common commands are npm initiate -y. It creates package.json. Next, npm install express. It installs express.js. npm uninstall express. It removes a package. Next question. Why is it important to hash password in a web application? Storing passwords in plain text is dangerous. Hashing ensures passwords are encrypted and unreadable even if data is leaked. Even if hackers get access to the database, they can't reverse the hash easily. So this concludes my Node.js interview Q&A session. Today we covered what is Node.js and how it works, key concepts like middleware, REST APIs, NPM, and password hashing, and practical coding examples. Thank you.